All right, so we finally got the Armstrong desktop linoleum, sorry this is upside down, off of the table. We used a heat gun and lots of time to basically just start from one end and peel it all the way back, slowly but surely. We heated from both the top and the bottom, didn't see much of a result. Honestly, we heated from the bottom over here and more of the glue came up, so that might have been a better plan, but it was hard to figure out how to heat through a lot of these tubes when it was sitting on top of the metal like this. But yeah, I think it went really well. Peeled off a lot. So first we did the sides, we peeled the sides up. And then we went all the way from this side, all the way back. The weights are on here because at one point we were lifting it up and it was coming off of the stand, so we thought those might help. But yeah, again, this is what it was. Armstrong desktop linoleum. Pulled all that off. Got a big pile to clean up. And there's where the rust came out, or through right there. Yeah, and that's it.